This is the Skoda Fabia MK3 2014-2021, and not all owners know that in a lot of Skoda Fabia of this generation you will have the memory card slot, the slot for memory cards with maps and also with music. So if you have navigation, you will have this here. So here it is. Here I have the plastic cover. I don't have the slot, but if you have it, you will have it here. In order to use this slot for music, you will need to format this memory card that you insert there in FAT32 or NTFS formats. And then when you turn on the infotainment screen, you go to media, and here this corner button, left corner button, will allow you to choose between different options of sources, and you will have SD card active. I now have it grayed out because I don't have SD card and I don't even have the slot, but you will have it active and you can press SD card, and then you can choose tracks and play music using this SD card.